It is time to say I love you. Today, we're going to make a special Mother's Day card in Scratch. You can make a beautiful card and share with your mom to make her smile. It's simple, meaningful, and perfect for beginners. Let's get started. First, let's upload the backdrop. I have the download link in the description, but feel free to use your own. I'm going to use 4 different pictures as backdrops to simulate the effect of the card opening step by step. Next, I will upload 3 sprites. The first one is a button to open the card, and the other 2 are firework sprites to make the celebration more special. Now, let's set up the button and add some animation to it. When the green flag is clicked, make the button show and switch to the first backdrop. Then, set the button to its starting position and direction. Next, use forever loop and repeat block to make the button turn left and right slightly. This creates a smooth animation, so the button looks like it's gently moving, inviting the user to click it. Now let's make the button clickable. When the button sprite is clicked, make it hide, and then switch to the next backdrop. Repeat this process to move through all the backdrops until it reaches the last one. This creates a beautiful animation that looks like the card is opening step by step. Now let's add some firework effects. The first firework sprite has 2 costumes. One is the firework, and the other turns into letters. When the green flag is clicked, make the firework hide at the beginning. When the card is fully opened, make the firework show and wait 0.5 seconds. Then, use a forever loop. Set the costume to firework, adjust the size, and make it start from a random position near the button area. Now, let's animate the firework explosion. Use a repeat until block to make the firework move upward until it reaches a random Y position. Then the firework explodes and switches to the Happy Mother's Day leather costume. Set the color and effects to 0. Then use a repeat block to gradually change the size, color, and ghost effect. This creates a smooth and beautiful animation that makes the message shine and fade in an amazing way. We need to wait 1 second before creating another firework. Now let's create a second firework effect. We can simply copy the code from the first firework and apply it to the Firework 2 sprite. Then we just need to make a few changes. First, remove the wait time so Firework 2 appears more frequently. Next, switch to the Firework 2 costume and set the size to around 20%. Then adjust the values for the size, color, and ghost effects to create a slightly different animation. And that's it. You've just created a Mother's Day card in Scratch. Now you can share this with your mom and make her feel extra special. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next project.